Hey guys, and I'm on with someone who hasn't collabed with me in a pretty long time, actually. If you want to say hi?
Yeah, what's good? I'm Nick Orleans, whatever the fuck you want to call me.
Okay, so we got a little thing from Nick, like similar that we got something from Togetherness or Northern Fire Security or Kid Up PI 9010. All those people. A lot of people have sent me stuff lately, so yeah.
And I don't know why, but my roommate made it really important for me to like package everything really tightly. So I'm sorry if you have a hard time having to get everything out of like the packaging that he made me do it in.
Don't worry about it. I'm just gonna. I'll just use scissors if I need to. So let me just go over here. So we got this pretty big box. Let me go into wide angle so that way we get a good view of this. So let's do this. Yeah, it wasn't that hard.
There is an S-Protect first generation in there, though.
Yes.
It doesn't come with batteries, and we'll have to get some yourself.
Yeah, don't worry about it. I have a lot of batteries. So, yeah, let's see what's in here. I don't know how much he gave me. The only thing I know that's in here is the Nest Protect. So, which is the first generation. So let's...
Oh, and an i461A.
Yeah.
But I already told you there,
Oh, yay, look at that. It's a box in a box. What the... Oh, it's a... It feels like there's multiple things in here, so... So, we got a, what appears to be a...
Okay, yeah, never mind, you can do the box to box.
Yeah, what appears to be a contractor pack of i4-618As or something like that. I don't know. We'll find out. Let's see what's in here.
And you can keep that box if you want, since it's like a kit box.
Yeah, I'll keep it. Alright, let's see. Ooh, look at that. There's 3 things in here. Okay, so here is an i4-618A. So, I have the AC variant, so nice to have one of these now. So, yeah, I'm yet to have the whole set. So, there you go. When was this made? 2012, October 30th. So, it's almost over 10 years old, actually. Now, this one is another one, I'm pretty sure. Yep. So...
That was made in 2014. One of them was made in 2014.
So there's 1, 2, 3 i4-618As, and this one is the 2014 one.
Okay. I also sent you with a wiring harness and a mount bracket to one of them.
Yeah, here's the harness and dust cover. So we got 3 i4-618As. I don't think I'm gonna keep all of these. I'll probably keep the new one, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with the other 2. I don't know. I'll probably keep them. I don't know. Alright, let's see what this one is. Oh, here's the, oh yeah, here is the first gen Nest. So...
That button is really satisfying to press on the first generation.
Let's see. Oh, wow. This feels much different than the second generations. So, yeah, obviously, this is off. So, Nathan, or Northern Fire Security, actually has a first-gen Nest. This thing is actually a little bigger than I thought. So, it's nice. Yeah, this is really cool. I like these first-gen Nest Protects, but they tend to fall like every 5 milliseconds. So, yeah.
I've seen videos on YouTube of, like, I saw one video on YouTube. It was like a baby monitor Nest Cam thing, but you hear the Nest Protect in that baby's room, like, do heads up for a few seconds, then just start going off. There was no smoke in the room. It just went off for no reason.
Yeah. This came off of... So, this was in Nick's house, actually. This one right here.
It's in my room, and I'm going to probably get a second
This was the original. Ready? This is only a canceled. This is the original one.
Yep, that's where the meme came from. Was from...
This one right here. Alright, next one. Let's see what this one is. This one's pretty... Oh, there's an SA303. This one appears to be older. Yep. January... Oh, it was made in, Mosh, is that my day that my channel was created this besides the year? I don't know though. somewhere around there. It's over 10 years old. Yeah, SA303. Let me just double check. Yep, it is. Okay, leave that there. So yeah.
There's another SA303.
Just a bag.
That's what I meant by I sent you two of the same alarm that you already have.
Oh, okay. Oh, yep. Here is the other one.
That one's label is damaged. I'm pretty sure one of them is.
I can't tell. It doesn't look too bad. So we got 3 I4618s, 2 SA303s, and an Nesprotec. Let's see what this one right here is.
Last but not least.
It is a Kita Firenetics 0916. So this one's interesting. So I actually have the 0915 and it has diamond grill, but this one is a little bit different, and it's actually kind of rare. So this was made in 1999, November 22nd. So it's got test and hush. Cool. So the only one I'm missing is the Firenetics Design 0918. And that is... Oh, there's a mounting base.
I can't remember what's in that bag.
Okay, here are 2 bases for the SA303. And...
Oh yeah, for the SA303.
Alright.
I sent you the thing on Instagram where I was really annoyed because Oregon, like, if you go on Zillow and look at home sightings in Oregon, you're most likely going to find those stupid first alert 10-year alarms, or you're going to find SA303s because they're all too common.
Oh, yeah. Well, yeah. So, those are the 1, 2, 3 Kita I4618As, 2 SA303s, the Firenetics 0916, the 2 SA303 bases, and...
Plug your Nesprotec in.
Oh yeah, I can do that quickly. And here we go. Let's hear the original voice.
Hi from Nest.
No.
Hi from Nest. Ready. Press to test. This cancel.
Okay, so we're going to do the all famous.
Ready. This is only a cancel.
There it is. Ready, this
That
is...
is literally the alarm that started that.
Yeah. It's...
Ready. This is only a cancel.
Ready, this is only a canceled.
Ready. This is only a cancel.
Okay, I gotta stop pressing the test button. Yeah, this is the one that started it all. So, obviously I'm not gonna hook this up to the app since it's like over 10 years old. Like, so anyways, hope you all enjoyed this video. You wanna say bye?
Bye.
Alright, see y'all in the next one. And thank you, Nick, for all these surprises.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome.